Hello subscribers, and thank you for joining us for part 3. Father was into tiny tots.
It's not great because, like I say, there's not much option. However, we'll see what we can get. Hi, don't need to leave my bags. Alright, give the man that bag. Oh really? Oh, there's the book. You love books, don't you? I didn't know there's books in here. So we're in Tiny Tots, which does a lot of baby stuff. You alright? Yes, thank you. See, it's not bad, but if you look at the I couldn't imagine pushing that. Hi, how are you? You alright? So I'm doing a bit of videoing.
How is the baby doing?
He's good. I'm looking for something for him. I'm trying to find the cheap option. Do you know the alphabet jigsaw mat that you can put on the floor? But then I've seen this as well. But I just want the cheapest option. I don't think it's going to be that, is it? Yeah, you can have a look. Oh, there is books here. You could. Oh, shame. You see that? I say I don't look good.
Some small ones here.
I want big floor ones.
And you have
Oh, they're just plain.
this for him.
Yes. Okay.
What price range are you looking at?
Cheap price range.
Where are you in JA? Not in the.
We're not in the UK.
Yeah.
All right. Which is cheaper, these large ones or?
Let me check the price.
Oh, okay. Better in here than the other shop. However, I still am not fully 100% with the quality. That's not bad. That looks good.
We used to have that also, it's just that it wasn't Paw Patrol. It's a nice
It's
game.
like frustration game. I've got nice ones in there, aren't there? And key rings. Yeah, we've got a good little nosy here. The twins are little bookworms. And
Myths and legends. 880 this one.
that's not bad, but
But
we got some at the top of them. How to update your parents. My parents are driving me crazy. Oh, I don't like these books. How to fool your parents. What's this now?
document. I was reading a Captain Underpants book, and this was in it.
Go on. Cheap. Okay, not bad. But the only thing I don't like about that, you don't get the full alphabet, do you?
Yeah, the full alphabet is
You
there.
do?
Yeah.
Hi.
When I heard her when she spoke earlier, I heard the Britain.
Yes.
Yeah, so I was wondering if she know that there's another Britain.
Oh. No, we're together.
Yeah.
How much? 4,000 what? 3,000. Should just get it and done.
Yep.
But I want to know the price of the
The one, you remember the one that I showed you first?
the first one. I've just been given a calendar from Family Tots. How nice is that? Santa Cruz. So if you're a regular customer, you get treated nice. You know what I mean?
So with the discount, it would come to 6,960.
Oh, is it more than that?
Yeah.
I thought, so it's not 3,000. Oh, you mean everything? I
Yes,
thought you meant
everything.
just the one thing.
No. Oh,
Okay, that all right. That's fine. Thank you.
Is yet unknown. I broke my heart for every game.
Yeah. Right. Thank you. What did you get? Do you want to go in? never tried these ones before. Well, right. Mutton. But no, I don't know now because of the price. So how much would it give you? It won't give you a lot, would it?
How much? How much now?
I'm trying to figure it out, like for a
How
pound.
much? Oh,
I don't want a pound, I want more than a pound, but I'm just trying to gauge,
like, you know how much a pound?
yeah,
look
how
like?
much a pound would look like.
Ah, yeah, alright.
All the way down there.
And pound probably look like two of this.
Okay, so it's not too bad.
Yes, yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Hi, how are y'all doing?
Right, I'm gonna ask my auntie because she's cooking it, so I'm gonna see how much I should get. Yeah.
Sure, say left my one.
What's your name?
Yeah, cause Chigo.
Chingo.
Chigo, Cheego.
What's that stand for? How you get that name?
I made that name. My artist
Okay.
name.
Okay.
Chigo Black.
Okay. So what call you or just ask anybody? Milo biscuits for my little prinnies. And I've got bigger for me. And I've picked up pineapple ginger because I've never seen that flavour before, so I'm going to give it a try. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, I thought I'd see Chingo. All right, thank you. Has he gone?
Hold on, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Where's Chingo? Chigo? Chingo?
Chingo.
Chigo. Chingo Black. Chigo Black.
Miss, she your mother?
Auntie.
Oh, tell her if she can't speak my language, you tell her unless she can't.
There's a guy called Chingo Black.
She said one guy called Chingo Black.
Who working
He
at
called Chingo Black in what that's all.
Oh,
See me translate to this. Oh man. We can translate. Hi. You know, I had to translate.
Huh?
I'm talking to him, you know, and he can't understand me.
Him though.
Eh?
That never sense. That's what.
A weddy.
Get out of here. The nigga don't know English. The nigga don't know English.
Right, I'm gonna try £2.
2 pounds.
Yeah, and let me just see how much
It looks like.
it looks like. You don't know English?
you ever know English, but sorry, I never understand your language when you're there. So sorry.
It's alright, it's alright.
I can understand she more.
Really?
Huh?
Ah! How you got a tongue?
She's a real Jamaican, you know what she's
Oh
trying.
man, she talks better English than me, innit?
She said,
Yeah.
Turkey.
Oh, 2.5. For how much?
how much that is?
How much? 1 pound for $901.
So why are you giving me extra? And some of them look like them not have no meat on them.
Want meat panda when I want,
Eh?
but even though sometimes me like, sometimes me love me like poor,
Look
but
up, yeah.
but meat £50 then.
You know what I mean? Look at one, look at, you know what I mean? Look at everything, cause some people love them. What is this? You know what I mean?
See, what's that now?
So, this good? I
Yeah,
want
does
more.
it look good?
I want less.
You know what? We'll work with it. Unless we're getting it
Yeah,
for free.
that's what I get.
We work with
Can I
it.
get my one? That's what.
Yeah, get free.
Yeah, man.
Can I get my next one?
Yeah, go Bex. Alright, you know for Bex, now go get for you, don't
Yeah.
worry.
There you go now.
Respect. Thank you. So you a singer, yeah?
Huh?
You sing?
Say that
Do you
again?
sing?
No, I rap.
Rap.
And DJ.
Rap
Okay.
little bit, let me hear you.
Say that again?
Rap little bit now. Just one little piece.
Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. So much pain bundled up that you wouldn't believe. Man, I've been through so much shit, it's like God ain't real. With the devil on my shoulder trying to make a deal. But everything is just a phase, I still go hard for the brain and I never stop. Even though
Whoa! All right, blessings, Jen. Thank you. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? You can put that in the basket, you know that. Let me get a cold drink as well. I smell cupcakes. Here comes the cupcakes. Don't even know. Oh, look at the colour. That'd be dead bright and nice. Yes, Moses. Moses.
That's my
Yes, man. I can't forget him now. Trolleys out. Thank you. Is that everything?
Come on, you can't hold
Has
it.
you got space for the bags?
Yeah.
He's shouting me first, you know. You made me laugh. Battle of the taxis. Well guys, it's been a long 3 days searching for feeding for these animals. What a journey it's been. I've been absolutely exhausted, but thanks for watching and catching up on the next parts. We've got one more part, and guess what? I got a heads up on feeding the evening I came back from Santa Cruz. So stay with us to see how much feeding I actually got.